we are given this question. We are asked evaluate the following without a calculator. So we're not going to use calculator, and we can solve it. So the first one, let's solve the first one. So they said this, that's sine 3x over sine x minus that. So the first thing is to find their LCM. So the LCM of this and this is sine x cos x. So this in this, I have sine 3x cos x minus cos 3x sine x. So which is from our addition formula, this is sine addition and subtraction formula, sine 3x minus x. Yes, sine x cos x. Do you remember? There's a formula that's sine a plus b plus or minus b. That's our addition formula, is equal to sine a cos b. I've done it in my first video, as in addition formula. There's a video in this is my trigonometry. I made it, I stated the theorem, which is our identity, cos a sine b. So as you can see, sine cos cos sine, see sine cos cos sine. So if it's minus, negative negative, positive. So that's why we did 3x minus x. So I have, this is sine 2x over sine x cos x. Again, from our double identity, sine 2x is 2 sine x cos x. So over sine x cos s. So from our double identity, so revise all this before you solve the questions. So the answer is 2, which is option B. So coming to the second question, we are given this and we're asked to find the answer. That's 1 plus tan 15 over 1 minus tan 15. We are not using calculator, so we need to be logical here. So I'm saying that we can write 1 plus tan 15 over 1 minus tan 15 as 1. We can write 1 as tan 45, because I'm seeing tan. So 1 is tan 45 plus tan 15 over 1 minus, the coefficient of tan 15 here is 1, so I can write it as tan 45, which is 1 tan 15. You see the logic? This is 1, which is tan 45, correct? This is tan 15, 1 minus, the coefficient here is 1, so I can write it as tan 45, so nothing has spoiled. So using our addition formula for tan, so you see that this is just tan 45 plus 15, which is tan 60. Please revise my addition formula like this. Let me just go and show you where I did the addition formula. So you go back to my video and watch it. Addition formula. So see the addition formula. So that's what I used in solving this question. So go back and revise the video, or maybe if you've not watched it, try and watch it so you can solve most of the questions. These were on exam questions and their solution. So our answer, tan 60 is root 3. So option C. So it's a very tricky question. Why the other ones? 2y is the same as tan x plus y minus x minus y. Yes, x plus y minus bracket x minus y is 2y, x minus x is 0, y minus minus y is 2y, because we're going to use what we are given. And from our addition formula, addition and subtraction formula, tan a minus b tan A minus B is now tan A, which is x plus 1, minus tan B, which is x minus y, over 1 plus tan A, which is x plus y, tan x minus y. So just revise the addition formula I showed you so that you can solve this question. Tan x plus y is 2 minus tan x plus y is 2, tan x minus 1 is 1, over 1 plus 2 times 1. So which is 1 over 3. So the answer is option A. So the next question, we are asked if this is the then sine 2x is dash. There is what we call componendo and dividendo in ratio, because I'm seeing some to make it easy. Componendo and dividendo, that's what I'm going to use here. Is another term in ratio, but it's very easy to use so that we can solve faster. Componendo and dividendo says that if you have A over B is C over D, then A plus B, that's adding this, A minus B is the same thing as C plus D over C minus D. So it's correct. So you can prove it's called componendo and dividendo. So it's a ratio, a formula in ratio. So as you can see, I see A plus B. So I can add, this is A and this is B. C is 3 and D is 1, because 3 over 1 is 1. So I can now add this and this. That's A plus B. So this plus this. Tan S plus tan S is 2 tan X. Why this plus this is 0 over A minus B. So this minus this. Tan X minus tan S is 0. Cot X minus minus, that is 2 cot X. So I've applied the componendo and dividendo. 3 plus 1 is 4. And 3 minus 1 is 2. By componendo and dividendo. So it's a formula in ratio. So 2, 2. So I can, this is tan S. Cot is also 1 over cot is tan. So this is tan squared X equal to 2. Which implies that you get 1 over cot is tan. So tan is tan squared. 2, 2. 4 over 2 is 2. So making tan X the subject of formula is now square root of 2, which could be plus or minus depending on the quadrants. So okay, they showed out that X is acute, so it should be positive. So which is positive because X is acute. So we are taking the positive value. Okay, let's just take the value. Because X is acute. So to find sine 2x, so I've said that we've gotten that tan X is root 2. So, and from this, we can draw a right angle triangle using our soccer tool. Tan is opposite over adjacent. So if here is X, opposite over adjacent. So our hypotenuse should be square root 3, sorry. By Pythagorean theorem, root 2 squared plus 1 squared is 3, so square root. So we are looking for sine 2x, and sine 2x is 2 sine x cos x. So from this diagram, you can see that cos x is adjacent over hypotenuse, while sine is opposite over hypotenuse. So we can see that this is now to sine x is root 2 over root 3 and cos x is 1 over root 3. So I have 2 times that, so I have 2 root 2, 2 root 2 over root 3 times root 3 is 3. So that's the answer. So let's check the option, 2 root 2 over 3. So it's option B. Very tricky question, nice questions.